Welcome to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now the Anika Slickianna Townsend murder case has just taken a dramatic turn, with the mother of Anika Slickianna Townsend pointing out that she believes that her friends played a part in her murder. Was Slickianna set up by her own friends? Rushane Murda committed the murder, but who introduced them? Now I couldn't hear where her mother have to say, and then we'll continue the reason. This cannot be overlooked. Look, and of course, I want to know, listen.
Here are two. You're going to tell me how is one of your friends set you up. Hey, on. Which one of them running into you? The bad mind you kill you off. Tell me how it going, me pretty. You always a chat them with me.
Yes.
When you come here, you camping everybody. All the best friend that you're chatting with me. All the best friend. The best, and the best are best friend. All of them you tell me about. Tell me like how when you come to them.
No, we always that thought there. You have to be careful of friend. And her mother says that she was always an individual with a point out and observe the ones around her, them movements, them actions. And she says, and all of our so-called friend them, she trust. No Rushane Murda dressing up or pretending to be a medical student. Now clearly this is an individual with law enforcement. They have to get off of the streets. Some people have even gone as far as to say it's like a contract killing. Tell me what you think. Do you think Anika Slickianna Townsend was set up by her own friend them? The same people them who claims to them love her. But if you also go by way, Rushane's friend did say that him call her, or him call him rather, and introduced him to Slickianna at the restaurant. If it was a contracted murder, why he would have go to a public place before committing the act? Or was it a situation where Slickianna felt like something did off, something wasn't right, and this is something we have to do for kind of ease her attention, for kind of put her mind at ease that everything was okay? Talk to me in the comment section. Of course, condolences to the family. Despite the hour where people are saying, despite even her mother saying that, no, maybe this was a contract, maybe somebody set her up, must still consider this as a senseless killing. At the time of her passing, at the time of Rushane taking her life, she never did nothing wrong. She wasn't a criminal. She never hurt nobody. She was a law-abiding citizen, and somebody take her life. Senseless murder. Talk to me. Tell me how you feel. On to the other stories making headlines today.
No, remember I said the bill already mailed to my office, you know.
This is what it's gonna look like. So here, this is the part that your name is gonna come. His name is always gonna be at the top as the owner and your name. So down here now you can have your name and the mailing address. So that is how it comes. That's the only change that can be made.
Right, and then suppose we want to take out another meter now.
He has to request any additional meter for the premises.
So if I rent the place from him, I have a rental agreement now, a release agreement. So shouldn't him just give me a letter to show that I rent that department now, me supposed to come take out my meter in myself, although the premises still gonna be in a firm name.
Yes, but the premises and the account go together. That's what I'm trying to get to.
But what I'm saying now, I have several different places where we rent, and we know that the man who leased me a plaza, can release a two here now, me lease space on the plaza there. You understand? And that I just done a half a tree. You understand? We never look a phone place or a cell phone. You understand? So, but the landlord now, they give me a letter, and if you look now, you will see the building in my name. So every month now, the building come to my name, although the premises belong to the landlord. So I want the building to start coming my name now.
I could possibly look at that bill to show you what it looks like, to show that it is the care of part of the bill that your name is on. So in essence, yes, your name will be on the bill. Your name will be on the bill, but it's based on the request of the owner.
Alright, because a lot of times when I go places, them say they want me to show them a bill.
Yes, it's the same thing. Yes, it's the same thing I'm talking about.
So when my name come on the bill now, I can tell that and tell them to open certain lines to me and things because they want to see a bill that has been paid, because even one of my bank now so they want to upgrade my account, so they want to
Mr. Winston McDonald can do that for you. Once he sends it to us, we'll go ahead
so just write it now and then we just come give you it. Stamp by a just stop the piece.
Justice of the peace, you're correct. Yes,
no, because we know what I said no.
Right. So now that we have taken care of that, let me just verify the dates for you. Give you the voucher to me. Payment. And another thing, I want my name to be added here.
You're the owner?
You was Joseph.
So if Udo never said nobody come cut off the water yesterday, who was those people?
I haven't looked at the account yet. When I look at it, I'll be very...
No, I already checked it out customer service. That's why I end up able to pay $400,000 upon it. Which me already did call from yesterday and them say, it don't cut off. That's why I'm coming in myself. I'm a call. Come to somebody pay at that time. I'm a coming here.
From COVID time, it shows the amount that is there, 27. So I don't know if the 27 is current or if it's an old bill. But as soon as I look at it, I'll get an understanding from myself that I'm better able to explain it to you. So I know you check on it already, but I haven't looked at it as yet. Let me just find out first if details are available, because I don't know the time from when they were cut.
No man, for you still cut off date for the month. Because the gentleman up there so could tell me when they cut off the square. That's why I'm giving them here. So if you have more powers than him, you're supposed to see faster than him. I may have it on video when him tell me when it cut off from. You can go watch it, but on YouTube right now, so you can find it now. That shows that somebody deleted it after the force.
No, we don't have that kind of...
No man, and I mean I say I'm not corrupt, but I say there are some corrupt people in it. That's why I'm videotape it. Just for my own personal legal use. Yeah. Him tell me every one of them and tell me the date when them cut off. But I tell him some want the date after. So him say I have to come down here, so I have to pay $200 to get them one day. Him tell me every date when everyone cut off. They can rewind it on Facebook now. And some people probably put it on YouTube by now because they block my thing on YouTube.
This one now, which is the $2 million bill. You see when this account was...
That was cut off from there about 30,000 or 40,000. We have the cut off bill we had. Something in the region it cut off still. I would come here and come query it. And then
So
say
that
that
cut off from March 2021. You want
yeah, and how much did they cut off from?
10 days.
And when that how much did they when it cut off?
Yes. 10%.
Yeah, I know say 2001 it cut off. That one that a liar. It's called the liar move out.
Okay, alright. This is their rate. Right? Or this person is with them. Alright? And you are customer service. Alright?
I know what to go sadly. They started the first person to look on it. Because I said, if I cut off that and then jump to that.
Well, we always